video will go over how to access and use your voicemail, call details, history, speed dial, and directory windows. To access your call details through the Call Details window, click the Windows button to open the Windows list. Scroll down until Call Detail is highlighted and click to select. When an active call rings in, the viewer shows the details of the current call. The caller ID is displayed and where the call originated and the path the call took through the system to get to you. Notes may be added to the call and will be saved with the properties of the call. To add a note to an active call, click to place the cursor in the Add to Call Note field. Type in your note, and when finished, either press Return or click the plus sign to enter your note to the call. If you would like the ability to do direct editing of the call note, check the Allow Direct Editing box. Now you may go directly to the call note and make your changes. To access your history through the History window, click the Windows button to open the Windows list. Scroll down until History is highlighted, click to select. This window shows the last 1,000 inbound and outbound calls and whether they were missed or transferred. To search for or to find a particular call, place your cursor in the search field. Start to type your query data, such as caller ID, name, phone number, etc. The more specific you are with your search, the more refined the results field. To view the call details of a call, right-click the call record to open its context menu. Select Properties to view the call details information. To add a note to the call, click to place the cursor in the Add to Call Note field. Type your note and click the plus sign to move Text to Call Note field. Click OK. Your note now becomes part of the call history for that call. To call from the History viewer, double left-click the desired history call. Or you may right-click to open the Call Context menu and then left-click over the call to dial. To update your Outlook contacts from history, right-click the call listing. Click Add Modify Outlook Contact. An Outlook contact panel will open. The phone number will be filled in. To add contact information, place the cursor in the full name field. Type in the contact's name and click Save and Close when you're done. To access your voicemail through the voicemail window, click the Windows button to open the Windows list. Scroll down until voicemail is highlighted, click to select. Now you have a visual representation of your messages. You may listen to these messages, reply, and forward. You may also create new messages. To listen to a voice message, click to select the desired message. Choose to play the message over your telephone or PC speakers. Click the play button. The message will play. After listening to the message, you can use the action bar buttons to manage it, or right-click the message to open the context menu. To delete a selected message, click the Delete button in the action bar, or right-click on the message and select Move to Deleted Folder. To save a selected message to the Save folder, select the Save button in the action bar, or you may right-click and select Move to Saved Folder. To call back the sender of a voice message, click to select the message and then click the Contact Sender button in the Action toolbar. To reply to a voice message, click to select a message in the voicemail viewer. Click Reply in the action bar. If you notice the text fields are already filled in, though you may change these if you like. To reply to the message, click the red Record button and record via your telephone or PC microphone. After the beep, record your message. You may review your message and re-record if you like. Click Send when satisfied. Your reply has been sent. To forward a voice message, click to select a message to be forwarded. Click the Forward in the Action toolbar. The recording box opens with the subject line already filled in. Place your cursor in the To field. Type to filter the directory listings. Select your listing. You may add an introductory message if you would like. Click the Record button and record your message. When you are done, click to send the forward message. To create and send a message through the voicemail viewer, click New Message in the action bar. First, address the message. Click to place the cursor in the To field. Start typing to find your recipient or recipients. Add a subject and mark if urgent or private, or if you would like a return receipt. When you are ready to record your message, click the red Record button. After the beep, record your message. You may review and re-record your message if need be. If satisfied, click Send. Your message is sent. To access your directory through the directory window, click the Windows button to open the Windows list. Scroll down until Directory is highlighted and click to select. This viewer shows the list of internal extensions as well as any other imported contacts. To search for an entry, click to place the cursor in the search field. Type your query data, such as name or number. When your entry is found, you may double left-click to dial, or you may right-click on an entry to open the context menu, where you may call from or choose other action options. Note, your directory is managed by the system administrator, thus internal entries may not be altered. To set up and/or access your speed dial through the speed dial window, click the Windows button to open the Windows list. Scroll down until speed dial is highlighted and click to select. Your speed dial viewer is now open. This is where you can create number shortcuts that will dial full phone numbers. To start, click here. The Add Speed Dial entry box will open. Type in the full phone number and then give it a label. Select OK when satisfied with your entry. Your first speed dial number is placed in your speed dial window. To add subsequent speed dials, right-click in the window and then left-click on Add Entry. Fill in your speed dial info and select OK. This speed dial will be placed sequentially after the last one that was created. You may change the order of your listings by left-click holding and dragging the selected speed dial up or down and then releasing where you would like it placed. This speed dial is also accessible through your desk phone. To dial from the speed dial list, double left-click over an entry. You have now learned how to access and use your Windows.